What's going on this morning, family? Black Phoenix checking in. Got my coffee with me this morning. I was up thinking about a few things that was on my mind, and I wanted to address because I know I'm not the only one who have felt this way or who have experienced this. So, if you in a business relationship or a relationship, let's just say a relationship, business, personal, once you start feeling like that other person is taking advantage of you, that other person is taking advantage of you. It just takes the point where you start feeling it in the inside, where you get that unease feeling. Numbers ain't coming together. You can tell that it's a win-lose situation instead of a win-win. You want to be in a win-win relationship where one person goes all the way out to make sure the other person's satisfied, and the other person do the same thing, and they meet in the middle. But they gonna make sure that they see eye to eye. That's what you want. So if you're in a relationship and you're not seeing eye to eye, business or personal, remove yourself from that relationship. It's not going to last. It's not going to last at all. It's just going to bring up a lot of conflict of interest, a lot of unease feelings, and a lot of misdirected emotions. So to save yourself a headache, to save yourself some investments to have to clear up later, once you feel that the business relationship or the relationship is not seeing eye to eye, let it go. Hold on.